my YT homies, it's your girl Alethea again, and I'm coming back with this same outfit because I am bulk filming this morning. I want to share with you something that was sent to me. This is not a sponsored video. This was just sent to me for me to try for my review, and it is the Tress Wellness Wax Kit. This is the complete waxing kit with a digital warmer. This was sent to me for my review and my opinion, and for me to try and all that good jazz. How could I give my opinion if I don't try it? That didn't make sense how I just said that. All right, so anyway, let me just be totally honest, because I've told you guys and I've talked to you guys about doing non-sponsored videos and all that kind of stuff. And so therefore, I'm just gonna be completely candid. When this company reached out to me, I did reach back out and ask them, would this be a sponsored video or do they just want to collab? And like some companies have said in the past, they said that it wasn't in their budget. Now, I'm just going to be totally honest. They are Amazon store. I don't know whether they have a different store besides Amazon. I do know about them being on Amazon. I don't, for 1 minute, I'm sorry, unless it's a company, I don't know how long they've been around, so they could be telling me the truth. But sometimes when companies say they don't have it in their budget to pay a small YouTuber, I sometimes don't believe it. The only reason I did go ahead and get this wax kit, because I have been wanting a hard wax kit myself. I am a person that, other than my head, I do shave. I shave my legs, I shave my underarms, I shave my arms, and I shave my other area. So, but I don't like shaving my other area. I prefer to wax that. And I used to go to get it waxed, but when the pandemic started, I wasn't going to get it waxed and I had to go back to shaving, and I don't prefer shaving. So I was going to get a hard wax kit anyway. Whether or not it was this brand, I don't know. So when they reached out to me and said something about sending this to me, I was fine with it, because that meant I didn't have to buy it. Now, I do think I have a coupon code for you to use that will give me a small kickback. If I do, I'll put it here in the video somewhere or whatever, and then I'll put it in the description box. So if you are interested in buying a wax kit, please do check that out. I will say that this kit works. I do like this kit, but I will tell you something. Waxing yourself at home in the certain areas is definitely not like when they wax you at the shop. It is totally different. Preferably, I would prefer for them to wax me at the shop because it was much easier, much quicker. However, I have this kit and I'm going to wax myself with the kit. So with that being said, have I already showed the footage? I'm going to go ahead and show you the footage. If I haven't already showed you the footage and all that kind of stuff of me unboxing the wax and all that kind of good jazz, and the different scents and things that they sent me of the wax, and tell you everything that's in this kit. So if you would like to know everything that's in this kit, then please continue to watch. All right, so of course they did send me the complete waxing kit, and as I said, it has the digital wax warmer. And of course the box says everything you need for waxing, and there is everything you need. And they sent me eucalyptus, lemon, lavender, peppermint, and tea tree scented beads. These are the larger orange wood sticks, the smaller sticks, the pre-wax, and then they sent a post-wax, and of course the container itself. And they also sent some gloves, and then of course the wax warmer. They also sent these tops, these caps for the bottles, so that you can spray the pre-wax and the post-wax. Also, the one thing that you have to know is there is a learning curve to what temperature to put the wax warmer on, because if you put it too high, the wax will get too loose and slippery, and you put it too low, it'll be too thick. So you have to make sure that you get just the right temperature for the wax, and then everything will be copacetic, right? glad that I did go ahead and get this kit from them, because I'm gonna learn how to wax it up like they wax it at the shop, like I want to do, and all that kind of good jazz. So with that being said, I think that's pretty much all I have to say. If you are someone that is interested in waxing your own self, this wax, when it comes to hard wax kits, I can't tell you how this one fares to another one. All I can do is tell you that I do like this one. I've been using soft wax, and I did use this to do my eyebrows and to do my chin, because you guys know I do that. But I prefer my soft wax, so I will not. So the only purpose I will be using this for is my other area. But other than that, I will continue for my face to use my soft wax. I just prefer that. I think maybe I've been using it so long, maybe if I continue to use this on my face and stuff like that, I'll get used to it, but preferably not. I just prefer my soft wax. So this right here will be for, other areas. That other area, let me not say other areas, that other area, because I will continue to shave my underarm and my legs and stuff like that. I don't have a problem with my legs, and my underarms barely have any hair. And even with my arm, I only shave my arms like 3 times per year. I'm one of those people that shaves my arms. I know there are a lot of people out there that won't shave their arms, and some people having all kind of hair on their arms. That's them, that's their business. I am one that likes to shave my arms. Have no problem against people not shaving their arms. It's your arms. Do what you want to do with your arms. As for me, I'm gonna shave mine. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching another video here on my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Girl, catch you on the flip side. Bye.